Hi, welcome to another webcast on exploring computer science. Yesterday our webcast we talked about sprites and how they are objects that we move in our Scratch programming. On this webcast, we are going to talk about how we move those sprites with accuracy. This is located in our Strand 3 Standard 1 in Exploring Computer Science. If we look at the moving file, which is located in your course, we can see that we have 3 sprites on our stage. If I click the green flag, we will see that each of these sprites do something a little bit different. They move a little bit differently. They all arrived at the end at a different time. So if we look at the inside in the code of each of these sprites, we can see that they all have different blocks. But I want you to look at right now what is similar with all 3 of them. What do they all 3 have? Here's the cat code, here's the dog code, and here's the monkey code. And we can see that all 3 of them have a go-to block. This go-to block right underneath the code, when the green flag is clicked, it shows us that each of these sprites are going to start in a specific spot when the green flag is clicked. This is important so that when each time you go to a different stage, your sprite is starting where you want it to start. Now look underneath there and you can see that each one of these sprites have something different. The monkey has a glide block. The dog has another go-to block. And the cat has a move 10 steps block. These are the 3 different ways in which we move sprites on their stage. And as you can see, when we click the green flag, they all are different. So let's talk about the cat. The cat has a move 10 steps block. And you can see that it kind of moves along the stage. Okay, but in order to make it move all the way across the stage, we had to repeat that block 30 times. Okay, the dog has a go-to block. So it's going to start over here on the stage and it's going to go immediately to the next XY axis on the stage. Let's click the green flag again and see that happening. Okay, that's why it arrived first, because it immediately went to that block. That's a go-to block. And then if we look at the monkey, I want to keep calling him a mouse. We look at the monkey block. When we click the green flag, he's going to glide along. Now this is a great way to create your animation in your coding and in your programming. And these are all 3 different ways in which we can move sprites along the stage, and they're all 3 very useful in different aspects as we program our games or our stories within the Scratch programming. So I hope you can refer back to this when you are working in your when you're working on your lessons, and it's a great resource for you to look back and see the difference between the 3 ways in which we move sprites accurately on the stage in Scratch programming. Have a great day. See you next time.